Hello all, welcome to Project 4, building the quadcopter and flying it. Here you can see I have the quadcopter fully assembled. I chose to use the red side as significant of which direction it'll be flying in. I have the top cover off right now just to show you how I have everything connected. I also have a piece of blue tape with a white arrow just to kind of indicate which direction is forward. On the bottom side here, you can notice I have attached the receiver. And I think it just looks a little bit better and allows the pins to be easily accessible when you want to calibrate each of the ESCs. Okay. Cover on top, it looks like this. And in the coming videos, you're going to see multiple attempts at trying to fly this. It was very challenging, broke many propellers and legs. So enjoy the videos.